Hello guys, so I hope you watched my last video on Gemini. I gave a little bit introduction what Gemini can do for us and when it's gonna release. And there is a very interesting blog on androiddevelopers.googleblog.com. You can see what we will get from Gemini, because we're not going to get all the features of Ultra and Pro. We're gonna get the Nano version, which will be used on devices. On this blog you can see what can be done. So you can see Gemini Nano optimized for mobile devices. So Gemini Nano, or most efficient model built for on devices tasks. But in the demo, they suggested we can do a lot of input, like we can give video input, we can do a lot of stuff. But here, when you read this blog, mostly I could see what's happening here. It's just suggesting replies to messages in an end-to-end encrypted messaging app. It also enables consistent experience with determining latency, so features available even when there's no network. And then you can see Gemini Nano enables powerful capabilities such as high-quality text summarization, contextual smart replies, and advanced proofreading and grammar correction, which is not a huge thing above than GPT-4. I think GPT-4 does all these things very, very nicely. But here they're going to integrate in Google Pixel. You can see here the enhanced language understanding of Gemini Nano enables the Pixel 8 Pro to concisely summarize text on Recorder app. So you can record something and then you can ask different thing. You can see example here. You can give it a big voice note and it will summarize that note for you. And then you can see using WhatsApp, if somebody sent a message to you, an automated reply will be generated. You can see everything here. And for me, this is not really futuristic. We already have a lot of suggestion by automatic reply of the messages. So it is not a big thing, but yes, in this blog, we can see they're talking about all these things. And then they say we are excited to bring 12 state-of-the-art AI research with easy-to-use tool API for Android developers built with Gemini. If you're interested building apps using Gemini, Nano, and AI Co, please sign up. So I already signed up for this, but stay tuned. I'm going to update more things what can be done. But for now, looks like with Gemini Nano, which we'll get most probably in the Pixel devices, the latest Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, that it's going to be mostly like text replies, summarization of from voice, nothing too much what I was expecting. I think big noise from Google what Gemini can do, but let's see what we will get as consumer, or we just get text and voice replies from Gemini. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make more videos on Gemini. So turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all this Gemini news.